to the stage directions.
Reveal. Reveal means uncover something, okay? Reveal. Yeah, show the truth. Reveal. What's that?
Recent.
Okay. Recent. Okay.
The change.
Change.
The change was recent.
Okay.
But that was the biggest
earthquake
and recent history.
Okay.
Recent.
Not too long ago. Recent. Reveal.
Reveal.
Okay. To make something secret publicly. Okay, that's reveal.
To make something secret publicly.
Yeah. Or generally known. Publicly
or general. No.
Okay.
Reveal a
secret.
Reveal.
Can spell.
Reveal.
Reveal. Yeah, uncover. Yeah.
Uncover.
Okay. Cover, hide something. Uncover. Okay, the opposite. Uncover. Okay. What do the stage direction
reveal about how Prince Preston feels at the end of scene 1?
Okay.
King Kingston
exits
the stage to the left. Preston
snips it more smoothly, quickly smooth.
Behind the curtain. Soon.
What happened?
Is heard from off stage.
Who make a snore? Who made that? The king or prince? King. King fell asleep.
Then there is a
crash. Okay, that a crash sound. Preston
jumps out from behind the curtain, looking in the direction of the king's bedroom. His mouth drops open. Then he throws his head back.
Okay, he's laughing. Okay, drop head back. Okay,
and begins to laugh.
Okay. With the face up. Okay, through his head up. Some people when they laugh, just like that through his head back. Okay. What do the stage direction reveal about how Prince Preston feels at the end of scene 1? Okay.
He is
startled. Startled means surprised. Startled. Oh, like that. Look, startled. What's that?
Reveal.
Yes.
Reveal. Reveal.
Reveal.
Reveal.
Reveal.
Reveal.
Reveal. A
Secret.
secret. Reveal.
Uncover. Okay, reveal, like uncover.
Reveal a secret.
Okay.
Startle.
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 Okay.
To move or jump suddenly.
As in surprise. Okay.
The baby
Startles easily. Okay, jump easy. Okay. Yeah, what's that?
surprised.
Good. Startled. Surprised. Yeah. Yeah. Can spell it.
Startle. Startle.
Okay.
Verb.
Okay. So startled is an adjective. Okay. So he is
Startled and disappointed. Is worried and upset. He is surprised and amused. He is
sleepy.
and confused.
Okay. Which one?
This like summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
Okay. Look at this. Look here.
Holding up a mirror to the king.
Okay, the prince did that. Okay.
Prince President pretends to be the king, walking and
Fumbling. Okay. With his hands stretch out, try to touch something. Okay. Fumbling. Try to find some fumbling.
around the room with his eyes closed.
Okay.
What is the purpose of Prince President actions?
Okay.
To prove that the king himself is a thief. The thief to cut out what
Okay.
the god did while the king
Snapped.
to convince the king that
Sleepwalking.
that is dangerous.
Okay. Sleepwalking. Okay. Some people that when they sleep, they walk. Sleepwalking. You see like that. Look, he's sleeping and walking in the street. Sleepwalking. Very weird. What's that?
Startle.
Good.
Startle.
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 Okay. Startled.
Startled. Adjective. Surprised.
Okay. Sleepwalk.
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 Sleepwalk. Sleepwalk.
Okay.
To walk while
Asleep.
while asleep.
Let's just read it.
To walk while asleep.
Okay.
Sleepwalk.
Sleepwalk.
Okay. Okay. And it's a dreaming.
Dreamer.
Yeah, like this. You see. Sleepwalk. Oh, look. Okay. To convince the king that
Sleepwalking is dangerous. To show what that a switch
good.
has been set startled.
Steaming.
Stealing coins.
Okay. So which one?
To prove that the king himself is the thief.
Okay.
Look. So I.
Okay. Let's stop here.
Look.